Hey everyone, Gil here at Camppatton Family Compound. Got an update here on the indoor garden and how things are going. I'm going to start over here with the spoon tomato. And as you can see, there are lots of blossoms on it. And there have been lots of blossoms on it, but I've only found 4 tomatoes that have set. And let's see if I can find them again here. I know there was one right around in here. Let's see if I can find it. They're so friggin' tiny, and that's one of the problems with trying to find stuff on it here, is that they're really small. And there it is. Right there. Let me see if I can get the camera around where it'll take care of it right there. Get the focus on it. Right there, my fingertip is one. Now over here, so I can get the camera around in here. So I've got 2, one there and one over there. And then I got one back up there. Those are the only ones that I've been able to find. There are hopefully more. I've been doing a lot of hand pollinating, and I've even put the fan down below it to do some wind pollinating as well. And so who knows, hidden in here, little small tomatoes somewhere, but we'll see how they're going. Let's move over to the Grandero. And on the Grandero here, I lost several of the tomatoes here. There were, if I get the camera move around here, right? There were 3 others next to this one here. And I'm not sure what happened. They just suddenly, all 3 of them fell off. So I'm not sure if they got pulled off or not, but then I got another 3 up here, so that's 4. 2 more over there, it's 5, 6, and 2 more up here, 7, 8, and 2 more over there, 9, 10. And I'm not sure, it's kind of hard to see here. So I move it out here in the open a little bit. There we go. I'm not sure if that one there, this one here is set or not. And there's a couple others around that look like they may have set, but I'm not sure. So that's what I have so far with the Grandero. Now coming down here to the carrots. Holy moly. A couple days ago I counted 56 carrots. And then this morning I was counting, I got over 75 carrots here. But the problem is, look how close these here are together. Got the newer ones here just sprouting up left and right. And so I got to do some thinning here to thin out the carrots. I got plenty of carrots here. I just took a pinch of carrots from the package and just kind of sprinkled them around and spread it out to kind of make it even down here. As you can see, there is a lot of carrots in just a little pinch. So I'll be doing that there. So let's go around the other side here. So this here is the salad bowl green lettuce that's starting to come up. And under here, yesterday I went on 4 of these here. I had pruned off a bunch of the lettuce and took it over to my daughter, but then all of a sudden, boom, now, hey, it's even growing up above that. So I got to raise the lights up here again. And this other one's just absolutely densely packed with lettuce. So, yeah, the lettuce is doing pretty good here. And this is amazing. I've learned one thing now is just to do do 2 seeds and get it going, and then I'll wait about 4 to 6 weeks and get another 2 seeds going. That way I'll be able to have a staggered garden here. But even now, it's been, I don't know how many weeks it's been, and they're still producing good. So we'll have to do a little more experimenting with it next year on staggering them to see how well they go, or maybe later on this spring into summer here. But there we go. And that's the indoor garden here. I'm still picking up seeds from Garden State Gardener and others. So I got a lot of seeds and stuff here to play with here. And just a last little look. Got some more firewood brought in. So, but yeah, hopefully it warms up. All right, folks, that's it for the indoor garden. I'm going to put a link up in the upper left-hand corner to a video you'll probably like, and I'll put a link to my Gray Man prepping channel on the right-hand side here. So you can go over and check out some of the stuff over there. All righty, take care, and see you around.